What's going on? Hey, Darin, Steen here. Great nutrition tip. I've been doing this for over 20 years. I got hundreds of clients doing it. And the concept at first seems a little off-putting, but it works really well. 95% of the clients I've shared it with love it. It works great. So real food works best 9 times out of 10 versus man-made powdered proteins, meal replacement, stuff like that. But before and after weight training sessions, use a powdered protein. I like whey if it's high quality. If it's not high quality, whey is going to get you sick. Go with a non-whey. And fast-release carb like a banana an hour before a weight training session, depending on your metabolism, immediately after / 30 minutes or an hour after if you're slower metabolism, working on speeding your metabolism up. So here's the trick. I got 3 shakers right here. I pack the shakers dry with powdered protein, and then uncooked oatmeal is in there on the bottom. All right, in the right amount for me. That's not hard to figure out. If it's before and after, if I need some healthy fat in there, I'll put some nuts in there. So I got 2 different ones with powdered protein and uncooked oatmeal, and one's got nuts when I need more fat, more fiber, further away from the workout. So here's the deal. So you put water in it like that, and then you shake it up, and don't put too much water in is the takeaway, because when I chew the mixture, you just mix it up just like this. When you don't put too much water in, you get to chew it, and you just shake it up. Here's one important point. You can chew it and you enjoy it. It's emotionally more fulfilling when you can chew it. So sometimes I need a spoon, sometimes I don't, depending on how thick it is, but it's cool. You just shake it up a little bit like this. Sorry, the camera's shaking. And then I just spoon feed it and I eat it. And so here's the shaker, and I can sort of, it depends on, how much water you put in, but it's really good. If you need a spoon, it's cool. Just get you a spoon. So here's the takeaway. There's a lot of ideas and tips in there with the uncooked oatmeal, powdered protein. What's so cool is within 1 minute, you got 3 servings in the morning. You know exactly how many grams of protein, how many grams of carbs, how many grams of fiber. Half a cup of uncooked oatmeal is 27 grams of carbs. A full cup is 54. So if you're not following a macronutrient like framework, you should. It's not hard to count calories and know where your calories are coming from: carbs, proteins, fats. Use this. The takeaway from this video is the quick, convenient meal of powdered protein and uncooked oatmeal and maybe nuts for healthy fiber in there if you need some more calories and it's further away from the weight training workout. Pour some quick water in there, shake it up in 1 minute. You can down that. You can drink it, but don't put too much water in there because it's emotionally more gratifying to chew the food. That's my spin on it. Comment below if you got any questions. YouTubers, I love the men over 40, but a lot of people take some tips away from my tip videos. Comment below, share this video if you would like others to benefit from this as well. Comment below also, tell me what you do want to see in my future videos. Love you. You do have power to change to make the rest of your life, woo, the best of your life.